Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add videos to your Squarespace site and make them beautiful and leverage all the features that Squarespace gives. Whether you have a Vimeo link, a YouTube link, or a Loom video, I'm going to show you how to add it to your site. So I'm here on my demo website. So I'm going to go into the page here and hit edit. Now, this may be obvious to you if you've done this before. I'm just going to click add section and start with a blank section to add a video in. So here we have this new section and it's using Fluid Engine. So it's the new editor. So I'll hit add block. From here, I'll add a video. So you'll see it'll just place it here on the side. I'm going to drag it center, which I think is right there. Perfect. And then I'm going to go into the editor. Now here, there's a few things to note. Squarespace really wants you to upload video to their platform, which you can do, but just be mindful that you have this storage limit. Otherwise, you have to pay an additional fee on top of your website hosting to add more videos. For the most part, a YouTube link or a Vimeo link would work great here. I'll show you how to add a Loom video in a moment, but in this section here with a video, you could add a YouTube link or Vimeo link, but it is a little bit hidden. So what you're gonna wanna do is click the plus sign and then add from link. From there, you could paste in the link, and as you can see, it's just a YouTube link. It'll say if it's found or not. It's already been found, so I'll hit add. As soon as I add it, it'll add in the video and show the thumbnail. As you can see, it definitely has a YouTube feel. So if you want to override the thumbnail, you could easily do that. Just click custom featured image here and then hit the plus sign. I'm going to upload from the library and I am just going to pull an image. Let's just pull this image here. Perfect. That's not the image I would ever recommend using, but it's just a default image I have in there. And just like that, I've added it. You could also add a description so people know what the video is, but boom, the video has been added. Now, as you can see, you could do the same exact process with a Vimeo link and you just upload it, same thing. You get the same exact features as well. But let's say you want to embed a Loom video. Let me show you how to do that. So here, I'll just click add block. And what I would click is embed versus, I'll go to embed versus video. So I'll click on embed. It'll add in this area here. I'm just going to make it look more like a video. And then I'm going to drag it and place it right below. And then add in one more there. So it's even, boom, just like that. Now I'll hit this pencil. Now this is so easy, but if you don't know this, it's a little bit of work. So I will grab a Loom video. Perfect. So I just grabbed a Loom link and I'll paste it in. Let me go to the front of it. So you can see here, it's a Loom video. Perfect, easy, simple. Just like that, just by adding the link, it'll automatically embed it into the site. Perfect, done. But this isn't the prettiest. So what you can do is you could click into it and add a custom featured image, which is great. So as soon as you do that, you could come in here, select from library. What I'll do is I could actually go to Unsplash here and be able to grab a photo that makes sense. So I'm just going to type in laptop, grab a photo. Let's just grab this one, add image. If this works, I could use it and I'm done. So just like that, it'll upload the image and we're good to go. Now, one final note for those who are using Vimeo. If you're using Vimeo and you want to use a lot of their custom features, let's say, for example, you want to remove the share feature and the little icons and you're going to embed a video. You want it to do certain things when it shows up on your site. Well, you could do that through the embed block versus the video block. So if they give you the embed code, then you'll just go to the embed block and what you'll do is you'll click on embed data. You won't paste it here. I think you can and it'll work, but if you click on this, it'll open up a box like this. And then in here, you could come in here and then grab this and then just paste the code that you get from Vimeo to paste the video in. It will not do autoplay as of today, as of when this video gets published. If that changes, I'll leave it in the comments. But Vimeo Video's own Squarespace will not autoplay because of the code. I'm not 100% sure why, but there's something that just stops it from auto playing, especially if you have multiple videos on a page. It just doesn't want to do it. So in here, you could easily add a video to this section. Now, let's say you want to add a video to a background. Well, you hit edit section, and then here you'll hit background, and then you'll click on video. Again, it'll allow you to upload content, which you can do, but you could also just pull from Vimeo or YouTube, pull in the link, and it'll just start to play that video in the background. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.